Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. On this beautiful day, and our starting our springtime, I am blessed, and I hope everyone else is blessed. This is a beautiful spring day coming in, and I hope everyone is going to be enjoying it on this weekend. So, this is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen, and I will be reading my scriptures, and I'm taking it today, Matthew 5 and 9. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God. Matthew 5 and 9. Humble yourself in the sight of the Lord. He will lift you up. Humble yourself in the sight of the Lord, and He will lift you up. James 4 and 10. I hope these scriptures will help someone today, tomorrow, or next week, whenever you need them. I always try to give a word, and I know that when I have the words out, I know God has the word that's for someone there for you today, and I'm hoping that you all will use it to the advantage. I'm doing what you call, I have a potato cheese casserole, and I'll probably put a little block. You can put broccoli in it or some kind of whatever you like in it. Also, if you want a vegetable in it, but I may put it. I haven't decided what I'm going to use a vegetable, and it might just be cheese and potatoes. But I've already sprayed my casserole. This is a casserole with the butter. With the let me see it. Okay, I've already sprayed up for a little bit more so you can see. Then I'm gonna lay my sliced potatoes down inside. I've already sliced them. I just sliced them long, halfway. So I'm gonna try to put the heavier ones at the bottom. I was intending to put it on a slicer, and I forgot about it when I finished. I'd already finished before I decided to put them on a slicer. I was going to get them all the same size, and I forgot about it because I was doing one or two other things. So, but they should be all right. I'm just going to take the small ones and I'm going to make a little cover here. A little smaller right there. Okay. All right, now I'm going to be putting my peppers on them. Oh, I got to put my ingredients of it also. But I already started with this, so I go ahead on it. Put those on. It's a little bit of complete. Onion powder, a little black pepper, garlic powder, No, get a little one. Thank you. Now I'll be putting just a little bit of cheese on top. Start another bowl of potatoes. Okay, yeah. I'm putting some just the regular single cheese on top.
Mine.
Also. Okay. Okay. Now,
Okay, y'all, she's putting the other layer of potatoes on top.
huh?
You didn't season the potatoes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Lord. Mercy.
It's garlic powder. Now she didn't do onion powder. Sorry about the noise, y'all. That's Miss Lena Gray Graham's daughters. They don't know how to cloak, keep their mouth.
Yeah, now for
Whisper.
spring break, so. I'm pouring the heavy cream in the mushroom soup. I add a little water to it also because it's so big.
Again, y'all, that's mushroom soup with heavy cream and a little water in it.
Yeah, it's about a third of a cup of heavy cream. 3 tablespoons, whichever way you want to go. Okay. Now I'm gonna pour my mushroom soup over here.
Yeah, she's gonna put this in the oven and put it in there for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. We'll be back once it's done. Thank you.
Cheese the glow. Cheese,
okay, y'all. She's putting more cheese on top.
Huh? Okay, I'm putting cheese on top. I just didn't have them out on here a while ago.
Okay, y'all. We'll be back once it's done. Thank you.
Okay. This is my final presentation of my cheese potato casserole. And I'm gonna take a spoonful and try, let you see me get a little taste of it. Very good. I know it's very good. Very cheesy. Okay. You can see how cheesy it is, really. Okay. I'm just going to take a little bite. It's very hot also. You go. It's very delicious.
It really is, y'all.
Very, very delicious. And I hope you all will try it. It's a very nice go with your meal. You can add meat to it if you like. But I just wanted to do the cheese potatoes. I used to do this one a long time ago. Sometimes I like it better than I do macaroni and cheese. Cheese potatoes is very good. But you can add vegetables to it if you like. Add what you like, whatever you love to have. So I'm getting ready to leave now, and I hope you all will enjoy this. And I thank you all so much. Watch for the next videos because I'm videos behind, but I'm hoping to catch up soon. Thank you for all my supporters, all of my new subscribers, and all of my members also. Thank you so much for Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Goodbye now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.